Right, back we go. It is Wednesday, February 10th. Doing a lot of videos here today. Market's still very strong. Let's look at APOP. 3 million float, it says on Finviz. 13 million market cap. This is really small. Biotechnology company engages developing Apograph technology platform that functionally selects stem cells to enhance safety of regenerative medicine stem cell therapies in Israel. So take a look at this one. Yeah, you can see on this. Yeah, this has been in a down channel for a long time here. You have this one line. Remember, one line is the most important line in penny stock land. That is because once stocks are like 25, 50 cents, 75, they're going to try to climb up one and try to get over that. And if they do, they could move a long time. They could continue that level up. Right here, you have the 6 line. Now, this has, I don't see no news on this since November at Finviz. This is like a no news stock. Nothing's going on really. So you had the gap down in 2019, reverse split, $2. This thing bounced to 6 in March. Yes, big drop. Look at that tail. Right at that one level, went through, and then we came back up. And then this thing rose. See the gaps right here? Well, the tail, then a gap up. Then this thing came back down, sort of like hovered to 170 level. So what's it doing now? Like every stock, it's moving, but not the greatest volume. From 175, look at this. 3, 225, 275, 420. Big move today. Nice. Had this dip again. It's weird dip. These stocks. They're touching that touch. That's my today's open. Then it's took off. Some of these are like very, very hard to trade. Depends when you get in. Knowing the swing level too. So look at this. See back and forth, and I see a gap here, and then I'm looking at probably this 9 level. So we're moving this way. We're moving up for 20, for 50. We're going to break that 6 level. We're going to test it probably. We're probably going to get a 5 next and test 6 at least. If the market continues strong, this can get into this gap here, 6 and get the 9. We'll see, how that works out. It's a very low float. Anything could happen with this. They're smart. They should push out news. I don't see nothing on it. The lows keep getting higher here, 175, 225, 275. Watch this 3 to 325 level. Pulls back again. See how it's pulling back even slightly below that. That's fine. See what we can do here in this one. We need news on this, though. This thing will really rock it. SNCA. 17 million float, 28 million market cap. Biopharma, research development, nervous system, human neuronal stem cells, and molecule compounds. I don't see really no news recent. But here's another one here. You have a gap. This gap all the way from 950 had a reverse split. Went to 4. Went to 190. This is back in 2020. Then look at that wick. Big wick up to 4. Look at that move. Look at that tail. And it came all the way back. Went back to 50 cents. Tried 2 again. Came back. So look at the 50-cent level. Touch. Right here, almost here. So you have a lot of support there. That's the ultimate trend line on this support. And then December, like the rest of them. See the volume here? A little bit higher than here. Even this is moving, with higher volume in the last few months. 60 cents came back, 80 cents, 150, 130, back and forth. Look at this chop. But the 13's over your 20. As long as the 13's over the 20 EMA, it's still strong. It's not going to go through right through here unless it would have to do this. See the turn? It's not turning here. They're like flash moves each day to scare people out. So you're at 2. We've been there before. 1, almost 2, 3, 4 touches. We're going to break two. You know, it looks like at this point you have a big gap here. Definitely looking for four. Yeah, it might not be one move like this. It could. It's pretty low float. If we get above two, look for support on that. And look for these levels too as your longer term support. So I like this one a lot. SNCA, keep that on radar. And I think we're going to get there. We've done it before, but it did come back. So, but you have the rounding shape again. Look at this rounding. That's what it does. Stocks do this. And this is take over a year and a half. Some of these stocks are a year and a half. They're basing. That's what they're doing. ENVB. $8 million float, 57 million market cap. Announces 12.8 million registered direct offering. Develops evidence-based cannabinoid products, combination therapies, cure effects of cancer treatment. So this is another really low float. You see this came out of this wedge right here and it popped in June. One big pop. It wasn't a continued move. That's all it did. Now I'm taking this out, putting this right at the 10 level. In your low. It's pretty much at this one level. Right here. See this? So you bring this line over. Trying to get right on the one level. So you can see this. Look at this drop from 44. Let's have a split. Yeah, it has a split, but it came all the way down. 470 bounced up to 12, back and forth. And this does, no volume. Look, 70,000. This is very low volume stock. You got to be very careful on this stock. Then it came back down. Big bounce up with huge volume. Went to 525 and came back to this one line right here. And 125, 125, 150. Look at this. Then it's put in a big giant candle. Look at it did. Then comes back 2 days, then bounces again on the gap up. So this is a very hard stock to trade. But even this does no volume. Look at the volume down here. Even this has been increasing ever since you start say November, January, December, February. It's incredible. So where we're at on this is, right here. This has to get over this line here, the 6 line. See this right up, come back, support. We're probably going to test this 6 line again. So look for the break of 6. We can hold 6. Maybe you'll get to 10. Maybe you'll get to 10 eventually in this. So, and then your support here really is the 375 range in this. But very low volume stock. Today, 7 million. It's increasing compared to before. So another one. See this down, basing, come up. That's the move. The moves all have been from up high. All these moves, it's like a rotation of everything. Now, they made little bounces. They're flattening over 2020, and now 2021, they're all going up. So pretty incredible. See something here. All right, so that's it on this. Please subscribe to Mike Heyman Trades. Smash the like button. Leave comments. Twitter, Mike J Trades. TikTok, Mike Frank I. Instagram, Mike Frank 98. Stock Quits, Mike Heyman Trades. YouTube, smash the like button. And subscribe. That's it. Yep. Getting tired here. I think I need the gym. I need some energy. Peace.